Hi, now we have an example for 10-point D, modified duration. Example 1, a 30-year loan has a level annual payment at the end of each year, and its effective interest rate is 4% per annum. So calculate the modified duration of the loan. So we have the 30-year loan, so we may think that the duration is almost 30 years, but actually no. So we have the payment at t is equal to 1, t is equal to 2, up to t is equal to 30. So even just take the average of those 30 numbers, it will be 15.5. So duration should be about 15.5. But you can see that the present value is higher for the earlier payments. So probably the modified duration is even shorter than 15.5. Okay, so now that we want to calculate this. So yes, so we can assume that each payment is 1 for the purpose of calculating duration. Because if for example, the a sub t, each payment is not 1, for example, 1,000, still, everything becomes 1,000 times larger, so the duration does not change. So we can assume that AT is equal to 1 for all t's to calculate modified duration. So now that we calculate the Macaulay duration first. So MACD is equal to the summation of the 1, so the v to the power t, and this is 4% per annum, so the 1.04 to the power the negative t is equal to 1 to 30, and the summation t is equal to 1 to 30. Oh, sorry, this times t, and this is 1.04 to the power negative t. And you can see that this becomes increasing annuity of 30 years at 4% over the increasing annuity, so the usual annuity is right angle 30 at 4%. So that means the MACD is equal to this quantity, and remember that the increasing annuity, so any year at the interest rate of I is equal to 1 plus I times the a right angle n minus n times v to the power n over I. So you can calculate this as at first 1 plus I, so 1.04 times the a 30 at 4% minus the 30 times 1.04 to the power negative 30 over I, so 0.04. Then we multiply this by A30 at 4%. Then you can calculate this quantity. Okay, so at first you can calculate the A right angle 30 at 4%. So this becomes 17.292. Okay, then you plug in number and you calculate the MACD, then this becomes 12.62, maybe 627. Then now that we can calculate the modified D. Modified D is equal to V times MACD. So that means the 1.04 inverse times 12.627 So this becomes 12.14. So 12.14 years is the modified duration. So again, the MACD, usually we have the increasing annuity formula over the usual annuity formula, and the modified D is the V times MACD.